welcome back. Thanks for my 40 plus subscribers. I think I'm up to 44 now. So thank you guys for hanging in there with me. I'm trying to stay consistent here. I'm trying to do like a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If it gets too crazy, then maybe I'll just stick to once a week or something like that. But I'm gonna keep going. So I worked on a series of like military caricatures, just based off of like, you know, the different, you know, military branches: Army, Navy, Marines, Marine Corps, Army, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard. So I kind of did like caricatures, and they're muscle bound. I thought it was pretty cool, so I want to share it with you. I started out with Bill the Goat, and I did pretty much a, you know, kind of like three concepts that I liked a lot, and you know, I'll just show you like little sketches. You know, this one, you know, kind of like him kind of just feeling pride and, you know, having a little smile and stuff, super muscle bound. But I was like, that might be a little too much. So I did this frontal version. I was going to try putting on like, you know, a cap or something like that, a hat, you know, with that. But I was like, it's okay. You know, it's okay. You know, and then this one is the one that I chose because I really liked it. I think it, you know, that side profile. I did one previously, but it was like a commission job. So I was like, well, let me do another one that's kind of like my own. So here it is. I'm going to show the whole process from sketch to the vector art. And I guess that's one thing I don't really, you know, state like, hey, I used to be that artist that I just drew on paper, you know, and then I fell into doing the digital sketching, and I gravitated to that a lot better. And although I still like putting on paper, I do love it, but you know, at least digitally, I could just put in a file and on the desktop versus kind of stacking up over on the side over here, which I do like. You know, it tends to get a little cluttered. So, because I have books and books of like all my sketches or whatever. So, that being said, you know, my line work was okay, but I wanted it to be a little sharper. So, once I start getting into, you know, doing all my line work in Adobe Illustrator, I felt that, man, my line work is a lot cleaner. It enhanced my artwork a lot more. And then, you know, I can blow these designs up larger or, you know, make them smaller, and it still maintains its nice crisp quality, which is what I love. Because when you're dealing with JPEGs, it tends to get a little pixelated, you know, when you start stretching it and, pretty much scaling it down to where, excuse me, it's, you know, for different platforms or whatnot. I was like, man, I'm gonna have to like resize this thing. But, you know, overall, like just, you know, the cleanness of Adobe Illustrator, I love it so much. I love the colors. You can do the gradients, everything, you know, you can pretty much do in Photoshop. It's just a little bit more time consuming because you're dealing with points and lines and shapes and, you know, things of that nature. So, you know, I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to keep on improving, keep cranking these things out. And hey, you got any comments, concerns, or anything, just put them in a comment. Always like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep this train moving, and have a great day, guys.